Hey guys, I hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to film way more content because I know that everyone's stuck at home and we're all in this situation together. So I thought, what can I do to help I can try and be more entertaining for you all? So with that in mind and the fact that everyone says that they want to see more vlogs, I thought today you guys can help me sort out this mess. So this is my unofficial wardrobe room. It's kind of the spare room slash nothing room. It is my wardrobe room at the moment, but it's not going to be like this forever, but for now it's my room and like filming and stuff. So I have got loads of deliveries to go through, also to sort my stuff out, and I thought while I'm here I'm going to have a little clear out of my wardrobe too. So I thought we could do that together, hopefully. And before I get into it, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so, because as I said, there's going to be loads of content. And this is what I'm wearing today to clean out. This is a new little lounge set. I've been getting sent quite a few lounge sets, which I am more than happy with. I'm wearing makeup today as well, because I just did some Instagram stories and was like, whoa. So comment below if you want me to like share my makeup routine, because that's another thing I could do. Just trying to think of like what content you guys would like to see, and as I said, I'm going to be filming loads more, so if there's anything you want to see from me, do let me know. Someone did say a wardrobe tour, which I will be doing as well. Penny's going crazy. So yeah, this is my new lounge set that I'm wearing. It's so nice, really good quality, really soft, and it's from this brand, Le Girls, Le Boys, and I'll link it below. But I really like it. It's really nice, kind of feels really good quality, and it's got quite flattering like slim joggers. They're not really baggy, and this is really good too. They've got zipper, oh, can you actually use them? Oh yeah, zipper pockets, so you can, if you're like going for a walk and you've got money or your card or something, you don't have to worry about it falling out. And I always find zipper pockets quite loose, so that's good. So yeah, that's my OOTD, and let's get tidying. Did you say there's a parcel for me?
I said it was no one.
No! The parcel's for no! The parcel's for no one! Jack? Is it for you? Jack? Is the parcel for you?
Yeah, it's for me, yeah.
Oh, okay. What did you get? What have you been ordering? Is it from an auction? Jack?
What?
Is it from an auction?
No, it was for you.
What was it?
It was a bag of dog shit.
Okay, so I need to find somewhere to set you guys up to show you what I'm doing. So I've got a few different things that I need to sort out. So I've got a few different things that I need to sort out down here on the floor. I've got this is the outfit I wore to the beach yesterday, and I just took it off. I need to check. I think it's dirty. It needs washing, some of it, because of the sand was dirty. Yesterday's outfit, stuff I was filming with that I just chucked on the floor. The jeans, I was trying to get a pair of jeans out of there and obviously just shoved the rest there. Also, this is a haul, and I need to go through and decide what I'm going to keep and send back and package it up. I've also got a couple of parcels there which are also for new videos, and then I've got some other blogger mail over there that I need to go through, and I always decide when I go through, like, am I going to keep it or am I going to give it to someone else or am I going to sell it, because I get sent so much that I can't physically keep everything. I've just found the perfect spot for you guys. Dun, 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 dun. This light is kind of annoying, but I can't shut the curtains else it'll be so dark. So, okay, so these need to go in the wash. I'm just going to chuck wash over there. And this does not, because it's new and clean. This is the main thing that I was shooting yesterday. Oh, it smells so good of my perfume. Even if I do say so myself, it's like a little cardigan. It's really cute. I'll put it in my next haul. So I'm going to make a pile of the clothes that need to be hung up or sorted out. There. And then maybe one... Yeah, I'll just make a pile, and then a pile of rubbish there. Oh, this is from the same brand as my lounge set I'm wearing, and it's like these pants and bra. I love them. I might actually attempt to do some kind of post on Instagram, though I do get self-conscious, but I really love this set. It really reminds me of Kim Kardashian's brand Skims, the kind of style. Okay, so I've come to the point now where I've got no room for these shoes to go away. I don't think they would fit in that one. So I either get Jack to move a drawer or I limit what I keep. I don't actually think this would fit in there anyway. No. So it's this one that something needs to go from. And quite frankly, I do think this is too many shoes. And I have to say, guys, I'm going to get rid of these. I've been thinking about it for a while. Oh, they're so dusty. And they're fairly new. And I really do love them. They're such a nice style, but they've literally made my feet bleed so many times. And I feel like because I've got this pair here and my Topshop ones, which are over there, can you see? I feel like I don't need a pair that blister my feet. So they're gonna go, and these can go in their place. Dun, dun, dun. But that is not the only pair that's going to have to go, because I've just realised that my Topshop ones need to go away, but maybe I should, and I've just got some new Topshop ones. Guys, help. I can't get rid of them all. I know first world problems. Actually, these ones will probably fit in here. And there is space in this one, guys. But these are actually going to go too. These are my monkey ones. I really like them. But I do think I've got too many of these. So even though I really like both of these pairs of shoes, I'm being practical and thinking, come on, Sinead, you don't need their mini shoes. So these ones can go there. Ta-da! And that makes room for my Topshop ones, yay! Except I've still got my other Topshop ones over there, but they're staying there anyway because they're new and I need to feature them in a haul. I don't need to, I want to, so there we go. So as I said about the boots being there, anything that needs to be shot or is like new in, I haven't shared on my YouTube or on my Instagram, I put on this rail. So these are like my new in things, or haven't shot, should I say. So these are my new in shoes. I've got loads of sandals here that I'm gonna have to find somewhere for too. But these are actually for a campaign with River Island around occasion wear, and actually it's been cancelled because of the situation. It just doesn't seem right to be promoting occasion wear for people to go out when no one's going out. So that's been cancelled. But these boots, I mean, I'm just going to be wearing these around the house, otherwise I'm never going to get a chance to wear them. But yeah, I'm still going to show you guys them in a haul, though maybe I don't need to because I'm just showing you them now. But I think they're all really nice and like kind of classic styles. They're all these little kind of sandals that you know I like, the little small heel. But yeah, I think I need to get the Hoover because there's some dust monsters in here, guys. So the jumpers are always a sore spot for me because I'm obsessed with knitwear and have so much. And I never know what to get rid of. So none of these I'm going to get rid of, none of these. Ow. Ow. I might get rid of this. It's quite new, but I've only worn it once. And it's quite tight around the neck. So I'm going to get rid of that. Especially since winter is over and I'm not going out of the house, so I don't need thick chunky knits. This coloured one I'm going to get rid of too, because even though it's really cute, again, I've only worn it once, and I do just tend to stick to neutrals. This one is from H&M, and I actually really like it, but I think I'm going to get rid of it because I've only worn it once again. I think the rest can stay. So we need to organise the colours a bit better. There we go. My denim I'm not going to go through because I went through that before, and I feel like it's always really hard for me to part with jeans. This coat is from Joyce Perkins, and I really like it, but I've only worn it a couple of times, so I'm going to get rid of that. That's staying, 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 that's staying. Oh, they're staying. They're staying. Oh, Jack?
What?
Are you busy?
Yes.
Oh.
Right.
I'm just quite thirsty. Thirsty. I'm thirsty. Oh, you're thirsty too. Why don't you get us both a drink then?
Hello?
I said if you're thirsty too, why don't you get us both a drink then?
No.
No,
You've got a Hoover here.
Oh, I just put it downstairs. This, I've literally tried to get rid of so many times and then it always ends up back in my wardrobe. Like I got rid of it last time and then Jack was like, I want it. Now it's back in my wardrobe. This, I'm really not sure. I think I'm going to keep that because it is cute. I mean, I did clear up my wardrobe recently, so I'm just kind of looking for things that are like sticking out to me, like that I shouldn't, they're like recent that I shouldn't have got, or things that I wasn't sure about before and I haven't worn them since and I've just made my mind up now. Dun 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 dun. No. Oh, I forgot I had this. I haven't worn this yet. Because I put it in there. That's why I keep my rail, because otherwise I lose things and forget that I own them. This is a really cozy jumper. I'm going to put that like that, so I remember to wear it. I'm going to keep, because it's really nice and snuggly and cute, from H&M. But why is it there and not in the blacks, hey? It needs to go in the black section. Not been keeping my own rules. Okay, so these are all denim jackets, but different styles, so I do need them all, because this is like a denim shirt with a belt. This is like a denim blazer. That is a denim jacket with rips. That is a personalised one, and that one's got fur lining, so they all do different jobs. This is a really cute ASOS coat that's new. I'm keeping that, keeping that. Now this is one that I do keep thinking, do I need it? And then I keep thinking, yes I do. Keep. See, I've got two cream blazers here, but that one's double-breasted and that one is more of a tuxedo style. The double-breasted is definitely one that I'm more likely to wear, but do I get rid of the tuxedo style one? I think I do. And again, I've got two tan blazers here. I've got this one from And Other Stories that I've had for ages, and this Arquette one, which is new. And I have to say, I think I prefer the colour of this one. I think it's more flattering and the style, so I'm going to get rid of the And Other Stories. This is like a bit major for me. I'm going to get rid of this one. It's from Nasty Gal. Haven't worn it apart from to shooting, and I wore it to shoot with my mum and she was like, it looks like you're wearing a plastic bag, like the way it is. Like, it's just not very good quality. So I'm going to get rid of it. And there's a Arquette blazer that's the same as this one, and that I've also got in black, so I might just get that instead and have a good decent one. I've got two black blazers, but I'm keeping them both. This bag I'm going to get rid of, from Suzanne, because I've only worn it a couple of times and people keep asking me if I'm going to sell it because they want it, so I feel like I should just let it go to a home where that someone's going to wear it. So now I thought we could do shoes. So these shoes, it's really hard. So all of these I'm going to keep, this row, and these and these. I think I'm definitely going to keep these ASOS ones because they're so handy. They're just like little flip strip ones. And then these from, I think I'm going to get rid of these H&M ones because they're not that flattering. We come to these, and I think, do you know what I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to get rid of my Balenciaga pointed shoe. So I think I got rid of the box, which makes me annoyed because I don't think they'll be as easy to sell now. But I think I'm going to sell these because I've only worn them a couple of times and they're just not my style. These River Island sparkly ones, I think I might get rid of too. They're a bit too high, and I don't really need sparkly shoes. I'm not a sparkly shoe wearer. So that gives us some space in the heels variety. And then the boots I've already gone through, and I can't get rid of any of those. These are really uncomfortable, but I think they're really cute. Do you know what I should just do is buy the Hermes style, and then apparently they're really comfy and I'll keep them forever. I'll get rid of those when I do that. And these are like really cute ATP Tillier, I think that's what they're called, dupes, and I love them. So keep all those. These are my Nike trainers I bought and wore once. Okay, do you know what I am going to get rid of? These New Balance trainers, because I don't wear them. These Doris Perkins. I do actually really like those. I'm going to keep those. And I'm tempted to get rid of these Golden Goose because I've only worn them a couple of times. I'm going to keep them because I think they need to have a bit more chance of wearing. These Nubic ones I'm quite tempted to get rid of. Yeah, they're like cowboy boots. I'm going to. What else? Keep those ones. Are there any here I could get rid of? No, I don't think so. I think I've managed to get rid of quite a big pile there actually. And I don't want to, so I've just shoved loads of stuff in this box with my mango stuff that I need to send back. But I'm not sure what to send back yet, and I want to do a video with some of the stuff before I send it back because there's some designer dupes in there, and I'm going to do a designer dupes video. So I think I'm going to film that and then I'll wrap it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tidy wardrobe clear out vibe video. Someone's asked for a wardrobe tour video, so I'm going to do that too. I probably won't film it right now, so what would it be like? Exactly the same as this one. But yeah, that's coming, and as I said, I'm going to be filming way more. So if there's anything that you guys want to see from me, please, please, please do let me know. I want to keep you entertained and keep some happiness and fun in these times. So hopefully I can occupy you if you're bored or stuck at home or working from home and want to have a break, or anything really. So yeah, anything you want to see from me, just let me know, and I will see you next time.